Hello. Welcome to the worst tutorial ever. I am here to guide you through the painful process of installing Google Chrome. Prepare yourself. Step 1. Turn on your computer. If you do not have one, this might be difficult. Locate the power button and press it. Wait for it to turn on. Good job. Step 2. Open an ancient browser, like Internet Explorer. Yeah, it still exists. Find it in your programs. Click on it. Step 3. In the search bar, type download Google Chrome. Do not use Bing, unless you enjoy suffering. Step 4. Find the real Chrome link. Avoid the scams. Look for the official Google website. If you see pop-ups, just close your eyes and click randomly. Step 5. Click download. Now, you wait, and wait. Maybe make a sandwich, or take a nap. Step 6. Find the downloaded file, probably in your downloads folder. Double-click it. Choose wisely. If it asks for permissions, just agree. Who reads those anyway? Step 7. Click through the installation process. Keep clicking next. Do not read anything. That's for nerds. Congratulations. You have successfully installed Google Chrome. You can now browse the internet like a pro. Or, at least try. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more terrible tutorials. Because why not?